What should I do with all this money?
You can come down to the Brokerage & Sons Bank and open a savings or checking account. Why don't you step into my office? Now that you have become a member at our Brokerage & Sons Bank, you can use our many services. One of them including our ATM machine.
ATM machine? Hello? Oh. Yeah, okay. Alright, I'm gonna get some money from the ATM machine, also known as automated teller machine. Yep, okay. Alright, bye. Nice.
Kyle, what do you know about ATM machines?
Nothing at all.
Do you know what ATM stands for?
Nope. No, I don't.
Do you know about checks?
Yes.
What do you know about them?
That they are used to take money out of checking accounts to buy stuff.
Are there any other ways checks can be used?
Not that I know of.
See, America, this is how uneducated our youth is. Thanks. Now that you have a savings account, you can also open a checking account. So benefits of a checking account are convenience, safety, easier budgeting, and proof of payment.
Wow. Hold on, someone's calling me. Hello? Yeah, I just learned about checking accounts. They're pretty awesome. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna open one up. Definitely. Yeah. Okay. Alright, see you when I get home. Bye, Jake. I love you. Sorry about that.
No problem.
So how do I open up a checking account?
All you need is an initial deposit.
Well, I brought that here with me. Will you barter?
No.
Cash it is.
Make sure you don't sign checks before you plan on cashing them. You could lose all your money.
Alright, so can I have some checks?
We don't do that here. But thanks for the money. I was just kidding about taking your money. Here's a checkbook.
Thank you.
Some things you should remember while writing checks. Always write checks in ink. Once you endorse a check, anyone can cash it. Like I said, so don't endorse it until you plan on cashing it. Keep unused checks in a safe place so nobody takes them. And also check your statement to make sure it matches up with your spendings.
Well, I'm so glad I got a checkbook now. Now I can use it to buy big purchases, like a house. I was just kidding about buying a house. I really need a car right now.
And not only am I a great banker, I'm also a car salesman. And what finer vehicle than this 2002 GMC Sierra, in great condition, mild rust spots, and only 200,000 miles. It also comes with half a gallon of gas.
I'll take it.
I need your down payment, sir.
I'll just, let me get my checkbook out. I'll endorse this check right here. And on the back, I'm going to sign it. Cash to Stephen Brokish. There you go, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good doing business with you.
Thank you.
Congratulations on the purchase of your new truck. As well as your new checkbook, we can hook you up with a debit card. Debit cards are just like checks. Sometimes they're also called check cards. But you need a PIN number and you need to make sure you keep it safe. Because a personal identification number can be used to take all your money.
Well, Stephen, thanks for that useful information about my check card, also known as debit card. Now I have to make my PIN number. I think I'll go with 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pretty easy to remember. Now if I just have my debit card... Oh no! I lost my debit card. What should I do?
That's good. If you ever lose your debit card, you should immediately report it. Here at the Brokerage & Sons Bank, we offer online banking. Electronic funds transfer, or EFT, can be used to view all of your banking online. You can use things such as your computer, your smartphone, or even an app on your iPod.
Wow, now that I'm so educated on fraud, when fraud comes a knocking, wonder who it is. Hey, I'm fraud. I could slam the door and shoot it in its face.